Okay, this is the maiden flight, the Dynam C188 from Bitcohabi. Alright, let's fly. Alright, using a 4-cell 2200 all the way to the front. Okay, no trim yet. Using an Admiral receiver with a stability mode in there. It helps a little bit today because it's a bit windy, wind gusts. Temperature wise, mid-20s. Wind chill around in teens. At least it's sunny. So far, this plane is fine, good. Bouncing around. Gyro is working. Got this at Bitcohabi. The one in sale last week was a good price. Let's see if we can do a loop. Oh yeah, good. Alright, cool. There you go, one more. That's a good run. Let me try some. It looks nice in the air, that orange thing. Have to be careful of that light pole. That light pole, they took a few of my planes. Alright. Let's see if I can try some touch and go, or at least some low pass. Ooh, not by the light pole again. The wind is just blowing it to the light pole again. Oh goodness. Access to airfield where I can fly this the closest probably like an hour. But it's just blowing it all around. Let's go, yes. The wind is just a bit too much. I'm gonna try to land. Okay, not too bad. Let's try another one. Maybe we could. Somehow that light pole is just a magnet. And the wind is just blowing it around. You gotta try again. crosswind landing. So I guess it's the wind. Alright, much better, much better. Not bad for a maiden. But I guess it's not really for a windy day. It's just the way to structure the plane.